If you're thinking of giving castor oil packs a try, check out this video as we discuss the most important things you should know before using them. What's up and welcome to the video. I'm Dr. Daniel Ricciardi, gut health expert, licensed pharmacist, fitness enthusiast, creator of SIBO Shortcut and the gut health supplement Bloat Blocker. In this video, we're going to look at some of the potential benefits of castor oil packs and cover the topics. What is castor oil? What are castor oil packs? How do you use castor oil packs? What are the potential benefits of them? And then are there any side effects that you really should be aware of? So getting started, what is castor oil? Castor oil is a natural oil that's extracted from the seeds of a castor bean plant. It's been used for centuries for its medicinal and cosmetic properties. It's a thick, pale, yellow colored oil that's rich in nutrients. Using this oil, you can make a castor oil pack by soaking a piece of cotton or wool in the castor oil and then placing it on your abdomen. Once that's set, add a heating pad and let it work its magic. Some proposed benefits of castor oil packs include constipation, circulation, pain relief, detox and lymphatic support, and even stress relief and anxiety, because using a castor oil pack is a form of self-care. For using a castor oil pack, you can purchase a castor oil pack, or you can also make one by taking a piece of cotton or wool, soaking it in the castor oil, placing it on your abdomen. Typically you cover it then with a towel, place a heating pad over top, and then just sit for 30 to 60 minutes. And doing this 2 to 3 times per week may be a good frequency to gain the benefits from doing this practice. So I mentioned benefits. Why do castor oil packs actually work? Getting into the science, ricinoleic acid is the main ingredient in castor oil that likely provides a lot of the benefits. It's a powerful compound, and with the addition of heat can get absorbed through the skin. This could potentially help with reducing inflammation, relieving pain, supporting the body's natural detox processes, constipation, and various other things. To be clear, this is not a treatment that I've personally used before. However, anything that's topical, if it actually works, I actually prefer it over pills, because typically with a topical item, there's less potential for side effects as opposed to something that you're ingesting, goes through your digestive tract, and gets all the way through your bloodstream. I took a look at what research actually was available on castor oil packs and what type of conditions it looks like they may help. Unfortunately, there's not really a ton of research on this, but a few studies that were available include this 2011 study from the Journal of Complementary Therapies in Clinical Practice, which looked at castor oil packs helping the elderly with constipation. It found that a castor oil pack administration did not have an effect on the number of bowel movements or amount of feces, but it did decrease the feces consistency score, straining during defecation, and the feeling of a complete evacuation after a bowel movement, thus decreasing symptoms of constipation. So subjectively, the people that were using the castor oil packs had a little bit of a better experience than the ones not. If you want to learn more about additional ways to fight constipation, you can click this link here to watch that video. There's also this 2012 review by the International Journal of Naturopathic Medicine, which found that preliminary evidence suggests that castor oil may modulate white blood cell count and may have a positive effect on liver function and cholesterol levels. It also went on to say the topical application of castor oil has been shown to reduce the pain of neurogenic relating to nerves, inflammation, improve symptoms of constipation. And then lastly, this 1999 study by the Archives of Orthopedic and Trauma Surgery found that castor oil may be useful for pain relief, and said that castor oil was found to have an advantage over ultrasound jelly and Vaseline in all indications used with regard to application pain, meaning being used on the skin. Positive effect of castor oil can be explained by its cavitation-free quality. This basically means that it may be gentler, have less tissue irritation, and have more of a soothing effect on the skin and surrounding tissue. Moving on to side effects of castor oil packs. As I mentioned before, because the castor oil packs are sitting on your abdomen topically and are not being ingested, they are relatively safe to use. Side effects that somebody may experience, though, would typically be skin related only, including skin irritation and an allergic reaction. Obviously, if you know you're allergic to castor oil, don't use it. Otherwise, not much else to note here. So wrapping up, if you're somebody that needs to see a lot of evidence before you're actually going to take action and try something, this is probably not going to be a treatment for you, because a lot of evidence on this just simply doesn't exist right now, and there's not exactly a huge incentive for a pharma company to go out and fund a lot of studies for castor oil. With that said, doesn't mean that they can't work for you. There are a ton of testimonials for people that I've seen, talked to, that have said that this product really works well for them, and if something's working, not causing side effects, and is relatively safe, it seems like there's no reason why it can't be an appropriate option for most people. So tying it into a gut health and and digestion standpoint. If you are dealing with constipation and are looking for alternate methods that may be useful, castor oil packs may be one thing you could look into. That is all for today. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more related content. If you're new here, I post a new video every Monday in YouTube Shorts throughout the week. Since you watched till the end, I really think you're going to enjoy one of these two videos next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.